Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve audio quality on OBS. First of all, of course, you will need OBS on your PC. If you don't have that, just go to any browser you have, download it, then set up your OBS, then launch it and let's get started. So, after launching your OBS, all you need to do, maybe just create a scene or source to see if the recording is good. Then all you need to do, if you want to improve or increase maybe your mic volume or something, let me just show you how. All you need to do, just go here to mic/aux and click add settings here. Then all you need to do, just click add filters. So if you want to improve audio quality, all you need to do is to add some things here. As you can see, we have a plus option here. Just click on that. We have several options here: compressor, expander, gain, invert, polarity, limiter, noise gate, noise suppression, and this option. As you can see, I'm using these two options, which is the best options to improve your audio quality. I would recommend you using this limiter if you have a sound or maybe the sound of your mic is too high. You can just choose this limiter. But if you are like me and you have the sound of your mic is too low, you can use this gain, as you can see here, and add as many gain as you want. And this is so important as well, this noise suppression. So if you're using a van and this van is maybe towards you and it hits the mic as well, the sound of the van will appear on the mic as well, like the or something like that. But if you add this, it will reduce it or even remove it. And as you can see here, we have the method of noise suppression. We can use the low CPU usage and low quality, or maybe the good quality with more CPU usage. I recommend you to use this if you have a bad CPU or if your PC is lagging because of this. Just choose this low CPU usage and low quality. After adding this too, all you need to do, just click add close, and if you record a video now, you will see that your audio increase or you improve your audio quality sound. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.